Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into this insane reveal, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Alright, let's lock in, because what's in front of me is something I never expected to see in 2025. This is the GR GT, a front-engine, rear-wheel drive, two-seat supercar. Yep, a real supercar from Toyota. And it exists for one reason: to prove once and for all that GR is the true performance heart of Toyota. The GR GT is now the flagship of the newly formed GR brand, and Toyota is clearly telling the world, if you want speed, you come to GR. Before anyone asks, what does GR even stand for? GR means Gazoo Racing, Toyota's performance and motorsport division. These are the same people behind the GR Corolla, GR86, GR Supra, and the legendary GR Yaris, which sadly we don't get in the US. By the way, I've launched a small online shop with original car-themed designs. T-shirts, hoodies, stickers, all created for real auto enthusiasts. If you want to support the channel and grab something cool, the link is below. All those cars earned spots on the 10 best list, and now GR is becoming a brand of its own, joining Toyota, Lexus, and soon the Century brand. This is Toyota evolving right in front of our eyes. Now let's talk money. Even though Toyota hasn't confirmed a price, but when we suggested $350,000 to $400,000, nobody at Toyota laughed. That means this machine is entering the world of Aston Martin Vanquish, Ferrari 296, Ford Mustang GTD, McLaren 750S, Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Toyota is entering supercar territory with some serious confidence. And here's where things get really emotional. Toyota hasn't created anything this wild, this radical, this special since the legendary Lexus LFA, a carbon fiber masterpiece that ended production 13 years ago. The GR GT carries the LFA's spirit, literally. Toyota says this car comes from an ancient Japanese tradition called Shikinen Sengu, where you tear down a temple and rebuild it to pass knowledge from one generation to the next. That's exactly what the GR GT is. A passing of supercar building wisdom from the LFA era to a brand new generation. Under that insanely low hood sits a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor, pushing at least 641 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. A rear-mounted 8-speed, a wet clutch, and a mechanical LSD. Top speed? 199 miles per hour plus. Yeah, this thing is no joke. The GR GT's skeleton mixes carbon fiber and aluminum, a carbon torque tube, aluminum chassis, mega-cast suspension mounts, carbon hood and roof, and aluminum doors with carbon fiber inners. It's Toyota engineering turned up to 11. Up front, you get control arms, Cup 2 tires, huge carbon ceramic brakes with 6-piston calipers. Out back, multi-link suspension, 325 wide tires, and a strange choice, a single-piston slider on carbon ceramics. But hey, Toyota always has a reason. Inside, it's modern Lexus meets LFA legacy. Tight cockpit, digital cluster, clean lines. And because rear visibility is terrible, they threw in a camera mirror. Classic Toyota problem-solving. And here's the bottom line. The GR GT isn't just a new car. It's the birth of GR as its own premium performance brand. It'll hit select Lexus dealers next year in the US, and Japan is getting a dedicated GR network. Toyota didn't just build a supercar. They made a statement. And trust me, this is just the beginning. The GR brand is about to explode, and the GR GT is only the first warning shot. If you want more breakdowns, more reveals, and more insane automotive content, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because what Toyota is doing right now, you do not want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.